Hey guys, this is Barry from the YANMAR Academy. Today we're going to talk about maintenance on the excavators. The excavators are a high quality machine, but they do require a little bit of maintenance. So today we are going to talk about greasing the turntable bearing on the excavators. Behind me I have a VIO 80. We're going to do it on that machine, but just know that it is the same process through all the models that we do offer. First thing you want to do is make sure you get a clean rag. Go ahead and wipe off those grease zerks. You don't want to transfer any of that grease or dirt into the grease zerk itself. Once they're cleaned off, go ahead and grab your grease gun, hook it up to the grease zerks, shoot 2 to 3 shots of grease into each grease zerk. Go ahead, jump back in, start to spin the house, stop every so often, jump out and reshoot the grease. You want to make sure you get grease smeared all the way across that turntable bearing. Jump back in the cab and continue to rotate around until you've completed a complete circle. Once you're complete, go ahead and swing the house 3 times to the left, 3 times to the right. Make sure you get that grease smeared nice and good all across that turntable bearing. There you have it guys, quick, simple, easy job, one that's very important. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time at the YANMAR Academy.